What's going on, guys? So if you're a beginner to prop firm trading, then this is the video for you. I'm going to go into some things that I wish I knew when I first started, to help you progress along faster than I did, and things that could help people that are even trading for a little bit. So first off, the prop firms allow you to trade bigger capital than what you have. So for argument's sake, $50, you could start trading about $50,000 worth of capital, and it can enable you to get large payouts with only putting up a small amount of money. What's great about prop firms is you can build out a strategy without risking a lot of money and become a profitable trader basically on somebody else's dollar. But let's dig into a couple of things that will make, the first step easier. First, there's only a couple companies I would go with. One, I would go with Take Profit Trader, probably number one, Apex Trader Funding, My Funded Futures, or TopStep is probably where I would start. And then from there, the worst thing you can do is trade alone. So be sure to subscribe below. You can watch me trade every day. Also in the description of this video is our Discord, where traders talk all through the day and after hours, where we post charts and everything else, and you can kind of interact with other traders that are profitable, and it's all free. There's no selling going on. So go in, take a look. If you have questions, comments about it, let me know. But also, this piece of software in front of you, every trader should have. It's called TradingView. This is basically just charting, has a lot of scripts and indicators. I have a video on my different setups. That's probably where I would start. Search my videos, look for my, just type in TradingView, and you get all my different setups. Or you come on the live stream and I can walk you through all my different tabs, what I'm looking for, the different strategies. The other thing I would do is the size of account you get at prop firms. If I was brand new, I would probably just get a 150K account and trade one micro. The reason I would start here is a 150K account gives you a lot of drawdown where you're probably not going to blow the account. You're probably not going to take it to a payout either, but you've gone through the steps of buying an account, so you feel like you have some skin in the game. You're trading one micro, which, you could definitely make money, especially in this market that's, swinging 200-300 points at a clip. But it gives you the drawdown. It allows you to make a lot of bad trades and not blow the account. So you can really test out your strategies, time frames you should be looking at. That's another thing. If I was trading and I was new, I probably wouldn't be looking at a 1 minute time frame. The lowest I would probably go is either 3 or 5. It just kind of smooths it out a little bit where you're not, if you're brand new, sometimes you're like, oh, one candle up, one candle down, and you're like, oh, it's gonna go up, and then it's, oh no, it came down, and then you get, you kind of get out of your position because you're new and you're not sure what's going on. So I would definitely zoom out and maybe get on the 3 or 5 minute chart where it's kind of easier to read, easier to place trades, and you kind of won't get stopped out of your position. I'd also have a little bit larger stop losses. I wouldn't keep it too tight. You got to get used to it moving around and, being down a little bit. But as long as your strategy plays out, you let it play out. Those are things like don't trade alone. Find a group that we have, free group. There's a lot of free groups out there. Start trading with other traders because you're going to learn more talking and interacting with other people than you are just researching on your own. I definitely say you should research on your own, though, on Saturday and Sunday. You got to treat this like a job. If you're not going to treat it like a job, it's not going to pay you like a job. So I would definitely do a lot of research. I'd make sure I'm trading with other people, either in the Discord, watching people live stream. Things like that is where I would definitely start. Ask a lot of questions. Everyone's got different questions, but I would ask a lot of questions in the beginning. And it could be the newest of new questions, like, what is that moving average, or why do you use that? The more questions you ask, the further you're going to progress down the line to become a profitable trader. And I would try to keep things really simple. I wouldn't try to, learn 10 different strategies. I'd probably focus on like 1 to 2 strategies, and that's it. Keep it super simple in the beginning. Really learn the strategies, learn what you're looking for, place some trades in the live market on the prop firms, and get the feel of being in. And then I'd move to other strategies. But I would keep it super simple in the beginning. Don't complicate things. And that's probably how I would start if I was new. And that's kind of preserving your capital while further along your education as fast as you can and surrounding yourself with other profitable traders. If you have any questions, come on my live stream, go in the Discord and ask, or comment on this video, and I'll be sure to get right back to you.